The courtroom was fast cleared of members of the public as it appeared that every inch of space at the Kibera Law Courts would be required. Then the suspects began trooping in, not 10, not 20 or even 50, but 89 of them. All of them illegal immigrants from the neighboring Ethiopia. The only other people present in the crowded courtroom was the magistrate, the investigation officers, a translator and our television cameraman. But before the court proceedings began, two of the men collapsed. They were held by their fellow countrymen before the magistrate Grace Nzioka takes notice.
And he can't talk.
I think he's unconscious. This one.
At that point, the magistrate ordered that the two be given food and taken to hospital. Some of the men started shedding tears, pleading with the magistrate to set them free. A man who couldn't control himself asked the court to separate him from the rest of the suspects as he was a refugee living legally in the country.
Chief of Kangondo.
The pleas fall on deaf ears. The 89 were charged with being in Kenya unlawfully. Before reading her verdict, the magistrate reminded this lot that only 2 weeks ago, another lot of 49 foreigners were charged for being in the country illegally. With that, she disclosed that she had no choice but to punish them. Each of the men has been ordered to pay 10,000 shillings and be deported immediately. Those who fail to pay the fine risk being locked up in prison for 3 months before being thrown out of the country. These men were arrested on Tuesday at a hideout in Dagoretti. They were lured into the country by an Ethiopian woman named Scarlett. She is still at large. Nimrod Tabu, NTV.